bother with dreaming out of mind. Me and my mum will put things together, little bits by bit, but I think probably in the next couple of weeks or so, we're going to be starting with the cork, which we do have some left. Not in the best shape, but I'm going to use some of that to make a starting point on it. There's no point if they got little bits of holes in there. The holes are fine on it. That will be for them with gravel and stuff in time anyway, so that'll be all filled up by that. Psst. I thought you started to do a pee down there. Wait. Jazz pretty cats, I've never seen one. So yes, I've got so much coming up with, guys, and this breaker should help me with all the things I've got coming up. I potentially could be moving, probably released in the next at least 2 years, I suspect, but that's when me and my mum separate. We'll basically go different ways from each other, but these pretty cats are going with Pamela. Yes, the Darcy won't see me much anymore when I move. These fairy ones will go stay with my mum. I think this one the most. This one's Darcy, by the way. This one off the side of the camera. This is Darcy. He likes to pee somewhere or gets himself into trouble. But obviously, he's the oldest out of the four, but he still acts like he's a very young, pretty cat. Don't you? So I think, yes, I've got to get my HST fixed. By May I should be getting another train, maybe a special train. Maybe I'll get, I'm trying to think how much money I need to spare for that train. I'm trying to decide it would be the Underground S-Stock locomotive, or it might be the Batman Blue Pullman set, the 8-car set. But I won't be opening it, I won't be filming it until the proper layout is set up for digital, because obviously it's a lot of money and I don't have that money most of the time. But I will be getting the Batman Blue Pullman set at some point. It's not going to be for a while, but I think it will be some point this year, but it just has to be done in advance before prices go up too quickly, because I don't think anyone's going to afford that by the end of the year. Since Curry's already gone up with their laptop prices of over £800 because of the basic computer. That's my stomach. Not moving yet, mister. Not for a long while. I've got to get my assessment sorted first. Right. Are you tired? Do you want some anti-glare glasses? Want some of these? You get some anti-glare glasses for cats. The eyes are way too... They find their bright lights are a bit sensitive to their eyes. Mr. Darcy. He decided to give me company today. He often usually runs off when I'm filming. But yeah, I potentially could be moving in a couple of years. Depends how long things take. Obviously, once I settle in my own place, obviously the popularity will continue and the YouTube videos will continue then as well. A lot more vintage videos will happen then too. I think that's probably one of the neighbours that's just come out. I don't think it's going to be my mum, being it's not that time yet. I can't hear any music like it would be her. It is 7, so it could be, I suppose, but I doubt it. She was active about an hour ago. Excuse me, the curry is repeating on me still. Yeah, so I've got so much to do, guys, coming up soon. So keep your eyes peeled. I am trying to be more positive and honest with these videos, not more now, but occasionally there are going to be odd times when I'm still working on my how to approach my videos, really. But just keep your eyes peeled. I've got loads more great videos coming up for you. For my birthday this year, I'm not sure yet what I'm doing. Probably going to the Heritage Line at Plymouth again. If you haven't been to Plymouth, I highly recommend going, especially for the trains, because there is lots of trains there. Loads of train stores. It's just quite a lot. But that's where I'm going. I'm going based to the Heritage Line at Plymouth on my birthday over there, and then going to the train shop. Oh, my poor bank. It's going to look very poor by the end of it. It should be a fun day. I did Thorpe Park last year, so that was pretty fun. Riding all the tense coasters. I'm not doing theme parks every year. I'm basically doing it every couple of years or so. But I think it's yeah. I think the next time I'll go to an old house will probably be next year. I'll go to old house next year. I did Thorpe Park last year, so I'll be going to enjoy Heritage Lines and my model hours and main line stuff. Hopefully you can get on a train first time in quite a number of years. I'm gonna ask to get onto a train sometime. I do miss train travelling. It's my favourite way to travel is travel by train. There's no trains ride around here. It's just not possible around here. But anyway, what else? Keep your eyes peeled for upcoming Trying Not to Last challenge videos. I haven't done those in a while, so the only reason I've done this chat / model array video for you tonight is just because I'm going to have time off in April, and obviously I won't do these very often. It's just to give you updates what's coming up for the videos, and obviously the update video for my YouTube channel will be in May, probably the beginning of May or something like that, so keep your eyes peeled for that. The end of May is my YouTube celebration for my 7-year. It's my 7th year being on YouTube for my train channel this year, so keep your eyes peeled for that. That's only 28th of May. So yeah, I've got quite a few things coming up. It's also my 27th birthday this year. Crazy. Yeah. Just not looking forward to doing the MRI. Fun and games. Maybe I treat myself to spa training after the appointment. I don't know. I have to think of something. Take my mind off it after the appointment's been done. Yeah. Maybe I'll have another German kebab. Because the German kebabs I actually had one in Plymouth. Really nice. The German kebabs are so nice. They're much nicer. They're much nicer than British kebabs. I think there's some that are all close to the taste of them, but not everyone is that good.